Off to test the boat at Bala Lake. Got the big man with me. First we've got to get some shopping.
Hang on, let's get the shopping.
Where's he gone? He's gone to get some shopping.
Hey, which one do you want?
I'll have the big one.
That big one, all right.
Unbelievable.
Put them in.
Good for Big Jason. So there's the view of Bala. This is our pitch. We're allowed to put our gazebo there. Absolutely perfect. There's the big man's car. And there's the big man. Right, let's get to the latrines. Briefly show you the toilets. Very clean, nice. And the showers are free. Superb.
Steve,
What?
this one's got a hole in the side here.
It's a family channel. Big Jace is getting all set up now. He's getting an extension into the love nest.
Love this for one.
He has asked if he can have Cat the dog in with him, so we've said yes. Hope she's safe. A little bit cool. It's supposed to get warm though a bit later. So it's £5 a day per person to kayak in Bala Lake. And it's going to be awesome. And you're going to see me and Big Jace for the first time take the kayak out. We'll have a quick look at the buoy first though. That's our setup over there. We are right by the lake. Big Jace is over there being a real square, getting everything set up, all his bedding, 2 pillows, because he's got to lie at 45 degrees and he gets reflux. We've been down by the lake having a good look. Jace is still doing all his setting up, because he has to have all his gear set up properly first. He has to do all his bits and bobs.
Can't relax until it's set up, mate.
You can't relax until he's got everything done.
Everything set up.
And then we'll get in the kayak then, big man.
Get in, do some swimming.
Swimming.
Some catfishing.
That's it, the boy is in. Looking good. Wonderful. I've just been back down to film the boy, and look, he's still not done.
I've got loads of stuff.
All right, what are you getting angry for? It's supposed to be having fun.
Loads of stuff. I'll get all the gadgets out, get the lights on.
Awesome,
Put the shelf up that you did for me.
awesome.
Got the scanner going.
Scanner. We've got to get mic'd up. There's Cat the dog. She is with us. Never far away, that girl. Right, let's go.
Well, why have you got it like that? That looks stupid where you've got it.
Because I've got nowhere else to put it, because I haven't got all
you've
the
got
stuff
kids.
like you and it'd be too low here. Come on. Is that green?
Yeah, it's green this side.
Oh, it's green that side. Is it green?
Why are you asking him? I've just told you it was green.
Oh, this is heavy.
Hang on.
So this is it, guys. And girls, we are on our way to Bala Lake. This is already too heavy, mate.
Yeah, we're not going in a straight line. So it's actually taking us longer to get there because we're going further out. It's what it's all about, mate.
So here it is, the Cambridge Kayak. It weighs 37 kilograms. It's a 2-man and it will hold up to 300 kilograms. So this is what me and Big Jace are going to use for stealth camping. And this is going to be our first try out on the lake. And we have spotted an island over there where you can get up and there's some steps, so we're going to get to there. But we're going to see how stable we can be first. Love it. Inside you've got some waterproof compartments. That one's got a bag liner in it. This is obviously a fishing vessel, So these are to put fish in, and there's just like a sealed tab inside there. Same as that one there. And then underneath here you have got another sealed container to keep your valuables dry, I suppose. Various places throughout to clip stuff on, put additions on, and we're going to be going with a 360 camera. Right, so I'm going to get in the front. Big Jace is going to push me in, so I'm going to keep my feet dry on this one.
Yeah.
He's going to have to just jump in on the back, and he's the engine.
Steve's got his children's.
It's
Look
not,
at it, look at the side. That's a children's one.
it's not a yours has got your name on it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Right, let's do this.
Oh, Steve! Oh, hang on a minute, mate. It's too dodge. That's too dodge.
What?
I'll put it up when we get in there.
All right. Leave it running, though.
Yeah, it's running.
That's it. Right, that water's really cold.
Right, let me push it in and you can climb over.
No, we're missing out here, mate.
Go on then.
We're missing out here.
Start filming on him. Yeah, he's nice, isn't he? Good looking guy. Right, go on, mate. Go on, climb over and I'll push it out with you on it.
I'm gonna have to get my feet wet, aren't I?
No, just step. You need to be filming these.
Oh, we are on the 360. Oh, everything's full of water.
Oh, he's such a girl.
It's so cold on my feet. Right, so I've managed to get in the front. I have got my feet wet a bit there. The boy is out there. Let me show you big Jay-Z at the back.
Push us in.
Yes, he's gonna push us in. Oh, he's doing it. Have you took your socks off? Have you took your socks off?
Got my slippers on.
Oh, good lad, good lad. Look at that, he's like a powerhouse. Are we floating yet? You're gonna have to push. You're gonna have to push
I
harder.
think we're going to have to go really far out.
Are you just gonna push me all the way to that island? Oh wait, oh, it's all a bit out of balance now.
Right, that should be enough now.
Yeah, we're definitely floating. Here comes the big man.
Mate, it's cold.
It's really cold, isn't it?
Oh. Right, I'm getting in.
Oh my God! Ah! I think we're in, mate.
We're in.
Are we floating? No. Oh!
Hang on. Let's get the 360 up.
Oh, he's going to give us a good 360 view now. Oh, the boy. The boy is giving us a push. We're dragging along the bottom. It's all going quiet.
Thanks, mate.
We're off. We are off. Right, let's do a bit of paddling and I'll get back to you.
Nice.
Mate, have you pulled these down? You can pack that in.
I'm not, mate, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing, hang on a minute. Oh my God, we're going to go, we're coming out of here.
That was bad then.
I'm telling you.
Let's just see what the stability's like. Yeah, we've got to do that to get
Stop wobbling, mate. Stop wobbling it.
Jace.
Stop wobbling it.
Are we filling up with water or something? Hey, this isn't very stable, is it? Oh. mate, there is too much money's worth here.
Mate,
Right,
I'm not
go back
wobbling
in.
it. I swear to God, I am not wobbling it.
She's
Right.
Oh,
You're wobbling it.
I am not.
Right, I tell you what, don't paddle, I'll paddle.
Yeah,
Right, well, let me just paddle. So it's fine. If I paddle, it's fine.
but why are we? I'm not doing that.
No, I'm doing that. Stop, just... I'm going to go to the island.
Mate, this is too deep.
It's not too deep. I could stand up in it. Right, I will just paddle now.
Why is it so unstable? Are the seats too
No,
high?
it's what it's going to do. It's not going to tip over, mate.
I think it will. Mate, this is ridiculously unstable. Don't start laughing. Oh, this is bad. I thought this would be... This is so unstable, isn't it?
We're touching the bottom.
We're not touching the
We
bottom.
are touching the bottom, no.
It is quite hard.
This is... I don't like it. See,
See,
you're going to get all overconfident now, aren't you? Oh!
Mate, you're rocking it. Really
I am
bad.
not
You
rocking
are
it.
rocking it.
It's not me that's rocking it.
It is because you move. You like a bobblehead from
I
side
think,
to side.
do you think it's my ascites?
I think it's I think you're having massive big abdominal fluid shifts that are making.
Oh! Oh, this isn't brilliant.
Right.
I don't
go
feel
for it.
safe.
Hey.
I don't feel safe.
You got your child's life preserver on.
Right.
Hey?
No! Nothing's waterproof.
Well, even the camera's not because it's got the mic's connected to it.
Wow.
This is funny. Oh, oh, oh.
That isn't me! It's not safe, is it? Oh. Why is it so unstable? Mate! Mate, you got to back it in.
Steve,
My phone.
I'm not right. Give me your phone.
No.
No, give me your phone. Mate. Put it
No,
in this
because
bag.
you're trying to tip us out, aren't you?
No, put your phone in the bag.
No, I need to video.
Well then, okay.
Why is it so unstable? Do you think the seats are too high? We're like top heavy.
The centre of gravity.
Mm.
Don't
Do they go lower?
don't you put some water in it sometimes?
No, I don't think so.
They add water to them, don't they?
Don't lean on here.
I'm not lean.
Right, let's go to that island. He's even got his pie dag, his electric pie dag.
I can't understand why it's so unstable. It must be you leaning instead of using
Mate,
the paddle.
I'm not moving at all. If you could see where I am, when it moves, you proper rock to the back and sides, and I stay where I am. I think it's not going to tip. It's just we've just got to get used to it. That's
You
all. mate.
reckon?
Yeah, that's all it is, buddy.
Why are you're steering all wrong?
No, it's you steering wrong.
No, I'm in the left to get the nose to level out.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah, but you're
Right,
powerful.
I will
sweep.
mimic what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll provide the power, you provide the steering, okay? So I'm doing left, right, left, right. There we go. That's it. And you're not steering now, you're taking us to the boats over there.
That's because you're over.
No, I'm just providing the
compensating.
power.
Yeah, too much. Oh. I want to get it in shallow water and see how far it'll go before.
Oh.
Do you know what I mean?
Well, we can do that. Well, let's just get to the island while we're here.
Yeah.
You're not enjoying it, are you?
Yeah, I am, but I'm going to make some buoys. Some outriggers. I think it might be the feeling of being in the front.
It could be actually, mate, yeah. Oh, I've got it now. I'm counteracting what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's just tilting, mate. It's not going to go in, though.
It's not, is it?
No.
See, I'm having to steer right here, and it's not moving because you're too powerful.
I'm not, but I'm trying to counter what you're doing now to stop it from turning. I'll turn it back round now.
This is going to be deadly on the river, isn't it?
It's what?
Deadly on the river.
Yeah.
No. I've moved it.
It'll be anchored down.
Oh no, it'll be anchored down.
Can you?
Let's just do a bit of video.
Hey?
Not getting out.
We're not getting out?
No way.
Steve's panicking.
Well, we made it to the island. This is not the most stable thing in the world. I want to get into shallow water and see how far this will tip and then centre itself up again. It all feels a bit strange to me. It might be just be because I'm in the front, we decided. What do you think, big man?
Yeah, we can swap sides, places, mate, if you want.
I think we should try both spaces. Let's do a bit more paddling.
Okay.
Superb, we've made it to the island.
It's fine, mate.
See, it's definitely you that's making it lean, because when I paddle, there's no lean.
Yeah, it's all my fault.
Look at that, would you like to live there, mate?
Yeah. See, I'm not leaning at all, and it's leaning.
It did then, yeah.
Oh.
What was that? Oh. See, I'd like to say this is relaxing, but the adrenaline that's pumping through my body, I've probably got a blood pressure systolic of 180.
Right, let's just do this a minute.
See, how hard are you paddling?
Hard, proper hard. I'm paddling as if there was a shark chasing us, and we're going in circles. Steve's trying to slow me down.
I'm straightening us up. See, this isn't even, we're not even on Bala, you know that, don't you?
Where's Bala? All the way over there?
Over there, yeah. This is like just a bit of a side estuary that comes off it.
Oh, this is like the
Feeder.
yeah, the feed.
Everybody else looks really relaxed and comfortable, and we look as though we're desperately clinging on to life.
Well, no, we don't. You do.
We're going to crash into this dog. I've done everything I can to avoid it,
Oh.
and you're aiming us straight at
No,
him.
I've not even touched anything yet.
There's not a lot holding that shed up there, is there?
Right, here we go. Let's get some of this in.
That's what I used to have a Seymour. So you got out then?
You'd know if I got out. There'd be a tsunami if I got out, Steve.
You've got to do a massive, strong paddle, haven't you?
Yeah.
There's nothing relaxing about this, is there?
It is. It's
amazing.
amazing.
Oh, stop it.
Gotta go faster.
Mate, it's
No.
not funny.
Slow down. Easy, tiger. Right, we can see the bottom now, mate. So even, look, stop.
That won't stop the water getting in the camera, will it?
No, but I mean, if it's not going to, if it tips, you can just stand out of it.
Oh, I see what you mean.
You just put your foot out.
Oh, it's freezing, isn't it? This is putting you in hospital temperatures, isn't it?
It is.
I'll be on 22 shorts day. Yeah,
You'll
just
be on 20.
keep him another day until his temperature comes above 30.
You'll be on 24, mate.
Why 24?
Because your respiratory
Respiratory.
problems, your obesity, hyperventilation would kick in.
We're going to grind here, aren't we?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna ground.
Yeah.
You need to start going backwards, mate.
I'll just turn it. So we have seemed to stabilise this vessel a little bit. I think we were just having to calm Big Jace down on the engine. He was giving it some.
No! Oh, sorry.
Mate, I can't control it. I can't control the power sometimes.
No, you're not stable.
Physically and emotionally.
Yeah, but it is absolutely beautiful out here, isn't it?
It is.
It's certainly great fun. We're in about a foot deeper water now. I don't know whether it's showing it on camera, but you can see the bottom.
And Steve's still panicking.
Still panicking. This is going to be... I'm wearing a wetsuit when we go on this next time.
You got one with you?
No.
You're gonna buy one?
Well, I might have to buy a bigger one because my other one's a bit tight now. What are you going to wear? A big dive suit with a big steel brass helmet?
I'm gonna wear a dry suit so I can have my normal clothes on underneath. And
Yeah.
just get out and unzip it.
That would be cool. It's going to make a great video, this, for nobody to watch.
No, there's 5 people that'll watch it.
Look at the dogs, they've got no fear of cold, have they?
Yeah.
I think when we're
Maybe
sensible...
what you should do in a minute with the boy in it, mate,
Yeah.
is you go at the back and put him at the front so you can experience
That's
it.
a good idea. We need to turn around now and then reverse in until it grinds.
What are we doing?
Gonna reverse in.
Reversing. It's not your van, mate.
Are you on the ground?
Yeah. You're not going to move the
Oh,
boat.
right, okay. I've now got the boy at the front of the boat so I can see what the back's like. And Big Jace is going on the paddleboard. He's never been on a paddleboard before in his life. He's going in. The guy's a nutcase. I tried last year and it's impossible. He is going to be so funny. So here he comes, like something out of Baywatch. He's actually chose to go on Mrs. Baby's paddleboard. He's just said he's never been on one of these before, and Mrs. Baby's lying and saying to him, it's not hard. Paddle on the left side, Ryan, get us back.
No. He reckons it'd be amazing though. He won't go on it.
Oh, you got it, mate.
Better on your knees. You've not done it before.
Oh my word.
You can get a steadier base on your knees.
No, I reckon he's better like that, babe.
Yeah, if you want to bully him and get him on video,
Better standing up.
they just want you to fall.
I know.
At least the colour suits you. Look at, he's not even floating yet.
He is.
That's it, you can stand now, it's quite easy. I can't believe you're on it. Oh my lord, he's gonna stand up.
I told you it's hard, isn't it? Look. Jay, put the thing. Jay,
What were you thinking?
Jason, I was about to advise you if you put the stick in the water and use it as a walking stick when you stand up, it's easier.
It's a lot harder to stand up on it.
I told you it's really hard. If you're gonna stand up,
Turn us round.
use the stick in the water as a walking stick.
I reckon you got this, big man. It's like poetry. It's like poetry. Fair play.
Mate, it's so cold. I'm gonna lie down for a minute.
Mate, you look awesome.
That's so cold, mate.
It's horrifically cold.
We checked if it wobbled and we would fall off, but it's okay.
I can't believe you tried to stand up.
It can't be that hard.
It's really hard.
Good try to get your balance.
What?
Your balance.
Have you brought a change of clothing?
No.
Well, we've had a lot of fun here on Bala Lake. And Jace, Big Jace, what a sport. Unbelievable. You've seen a bit of me and Big Jace on the boat, me and the boy on the boat. And the best was Big Jace on the paddleboard. Fair play, what a sport. That was awesome, my friend. Absolutely awesome. I can feel the old Jack Daniels starting to call though, so we're going to head back into dry land. There he is. He's the survivor with his pink board. So there we have it. I've poured us a nice honey Jack and Coke. About half and half we've gone for on this one. Big Jace has gone to have a quick shower and warm his bones up. Not too bad for temperature. It's quite warm really, isn't it, baby?
I wouldn't say warm, it's mild.
It's mild, yeah.
I think warm's pushing it a bit.
Yeah, I've got the old Snoody on and I've brought the MIG as well in case I need it. So I'll be warm. Gonna get the boy sorting out a fire very shortly.
And then we'll probably get some burgers on.
We'll definitely get some food on then, yeah, 100%. The boy's setting up the fire. These two are talking while I'm trying to video, so it's really annoying. We're just getting it all set up now. Big J's got a bit of gobby early on, so you've took a forkney one, haven't you, off me?
Steve hit me up on my lip.
I will. And you'll get it again if you
Sorry,
carry
mate.
on.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to disrespect you.
No,
in
don't
front of your
disrespect
family.
me ever again.
In front of your
Or you'll
family.
have another fat lip.
Sorry.
Although a lot of people can't tell whether you've got a fat lip or not because,
Because my lips are fat.
yeah.
Right. So
Right guys, Big Jay-Z is going to do a teaching session now on creating fire from just sticks and a bow.
Ryan, come and sit here, mate.
The boy will come and sit there.
Boy. So this is worked on the basis of friction. So my understanding is
Yeah,
you need.
together.
Hey?
Let's put it together.
Yeah, because you messed it up, didn't you?
No.
Right. So that. Where's the other bit?
I gave it to you. Oh, Steve's holding it.
Trying to be as helpful as I can. Yeah, Big Jay-Z will show us how to create fire from nothing.
So my friend, who's a Navajo Indian.
Yeah.
That's got to be risky, hasn't it, saying that?
No, it's a Navajo Indian.
Okay.
He showed me how to do this.
Okay.
Okay. So what you need to do
Very simply.
is friction. So you see, we've already got the holes in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So you literally have to just apply pressure on here, and in a motion, move it.
That doesn't have to stay in the hole or anything.
Yeah. It's just that we've consumed a lot of.
Okay. No, I just thought that had to stay in the hole
Like
when
this,
you.
look.
Okay.
Oh my god, you can't even put it in.
Right. Oh, what's happened?
I was just under the impression that that's
It's
supposed
like
to spin.
The boy's messed it up.
You dare blame my
He's
boy.
messed it up.
I haven't done
I'll mess
anything.
you up if you carry on.
Okay. So you put pressure on it like that.
This
Then
is a
it's
demonstration.
meant,
Doesn't have to stay in the hole on
Yes!
the wood. No.
it's meant to go back and forth
Okay. Yeah.
like this,
Okay.
like that,
Yeah.
and put the pressure on. Okay. And the friction.
Friction creates an ember, doesn't it?
What's on it?
Yeah. So you put. Oh mate, seriously.
Hey!
The friction will cause the little embers.
Doesn't have to stay in the slot though.
Yeah, but it's not. I mean, it's not easy.
I don't know how to do it.
Boy's doing well here. He's got a good rhythm going.
Particularly like Motown and Elvis.
Yeah.
So I enjoy that.
Glitter.
I enjoy that
I
type
love
of
that.
music because they listen to it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Glitter, that's a bit
Well, Mum did like Gary Glitter. She
Well,
was
it's a bit
there,
controversial that.
I mean, I like R. Kelly as well.
Well, time is dragging on. It's 11:15 and we are tired and we're going to get into bed now.
Ryan,
Jay-Z is sorting himself out.
do you want the binoculars?
He's so drunk, it's ridiculous. Can't even get a word of sense out of him.
I can catch.
But we're going to let this burn out and then we're going to get in bed and we'll see you in the morning.
Thank you.
Well, we're all getting into bed now. We're absolutely shattered. Our bellies are full. And we've had plenty to drink. Big Jay-Z has just got up into the hunker down rooftop tent. And he's settling down. So we'll see you in the morning. Take her easy. Good night. Good morning. 5 to 8. Slept well. We were all a bit squashed up, really. And Mrs. Baby always gets the least room because she's in the middle. Right, we're going to get up and have a walk to the latrines. And we'll see if Big Jay-Z's about. Morning, big man.
Morning.
Let's get your beautiful, pretty face on camera.
How long have you been up?
Hours. We've had breakfast.
Oh, okay.
On your left.
We've been on the boat. Here he comes, look. Let's see that pretty little face of his. Oh, that is beautiful. How are you, mate? All right? We're going to have a walk to the latrines. Are you coming?
No, I don't need to.
Okay. All settled down, ready for a coffee. Kettle is on. I've got the mig on. I'm hot, if anything, to be honest. Too hot. Breakfast for 4. Baby's on it. I've done the bread. Big Jay's getting all stressed now because he's packing away. He starts getting all serious, telling people what to do. He's just told me off for not doing his clip right.
I'm not helping me properly.
Not helping him properly.
Always wants to cause drama. So
Yeah.
Be angry so we can film it.
Now the boy is all the way over there.
In the red.
In the red. Having a whale of a time. Mrs. Baby might have a go on the paddleboard in a minute. Absolutely beautiful day now.
Oh, I haven't got my wetsuit.
Oh, now she's just said she's forgot her wetsuit.
She has got it. She can't be bothered putting it on. She's just making an excuse.
It is.
Oh, it's really going to go on then.
She says she hasn't got it. There's Mrs. Baby and the boy off on a paddleboarding adventure. She was standing up a minute ago, but she said her legs are shaking. I'm looking after this gorgeous girl. So Big Jay-Z has left us now. We are just having another 5 minutes by the water's edge and then we're going to head off back. Mrs. Baby's been on a paddleboard. She might go on again, yeah, who knows. So you've been watching Steve the Transit Camper out and about, testing out the boat for the first time with Big Jace. I think it went well. And what was good was watching him on that paddleboard. Gotta love him. See you next time. You've been watching Steve the Transit Camper. Take care.